Hey guys, how we doing? Hey, I got a great webinar for you this Wednesday. It is webinar, God, 4 in this series of webinars on property investment, and I'm lucky enough to have Mr. Mark Trafford joining me. Now, Mark is one of the top and preeminent renovators in New Zealand. He is incredibly good at taking an ugly, dingy, or just dated property and making it spanking and awesome and bloody brilliant and brand new. And the reason he's so good at it is because he's done it for a very, very long time, and he does it very, very well. And so he's got a lot of lessons. He's learned a lot of stuff. One of the things he's learned is what not to buy. First and most important lesson, what's not fixable, what's going to cost you money. And he also knows, obviously, then the opposite of that, what should you buy and what is going to make you money. He also knows how much it should cost, how long it should take, what are the gotchas. He's very, very experienced in this industry. And so I'm very excited about doing this webinar. It's going to be 7:30 on Wednesday night. And it's free for everybody, and the link is directly underneath this video. Jump on it now and grab your spot. We had 1,600 people registered for last week's webinar, so these are getting really popular, really, really large. So jump on the webinar, learn some stuff, add a comment, ask any questions you like. Let's go. Have a great day. Bye.